I am Judge Elizabeth Peterson of the Santa Clara County Superior Court.
I'm Judge Catherine Lucero of the Santa Clara County Superior Court.
I am Judge Mike Clark of the Santa Clara County Superior Court.
I am Judge PANTEHA SABAN of the Santa Clara County Superior Court.
I'm Judge Brooke BLECHER of the Santa Clara County Superior Court.
I am Judge Julie Emedy of the Santa Clara County Superior Court. On the day we became judicial officers, we each took an oath to protect and defend the Constitution.
Establishing justice is the first need of the people, as stated in the preamble of our nation's Constitution.
And the Constitution guarantees equal protection under the law to all persons, regardless of race or the color of our skin.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. wrote, "Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere."
The devaluation and degradation of Black lives is not a recent event. It is a persistent and systemic injustice that predates this nation's founding. Recent events have made clear that the injustices faced by Black Americans continue to exist 400 years later.
The deep-seated legacy of discrimination against Black Americans has also burdened the lives of laborers brought to California over 120 years ago from China, Japan, and Mexico, and continues to impact their descendants and our many immigrant populations today.
Santa Clara County is home to one of the most diverse populations in the United States.
Because of recent events, in June 2020, the Chief Justice of the California Supreme Court, Tani Kantil-Sakauye, called for us as judges to, quote, continue to remove barriers to access and fairness to address conscious and unconscious bias, and yes, racism.
All of us, regardless of gender, race, creed, color, sexual orientation, or identity, deserve justice. Our civil and constitutional rights are more than just a promise, a pledge, or an oath. We must enforce these rights equally.
The judges of the Santa Clara County Superior Court answered the Chief Justice's call to recognize that we all bear responsibility for ongoing injustices and that we are capable of taking steps to address it if only we have the courage and the will.
We recognize that we can develop a greater awareness of our own conscious and unconscious biases in order to make just decisions in individual cases.
We can administer justice and support court rules and procedures in a way that brings greater racial justice to our system as a whole.
We recognize that systemic inequities or just adherence to venerable traditions can create barriers to justice equality, and we will work with our justice partners to identify and eliminate those barriers.
We formed the Equality and Social Justice Committee of the Santa Clara County Superior Court. We are committed to achieving an equitable system of justice for all.
We will cultivate inclusivity, diversity, racial representation, and raise self-awareness through education, crucial conversations, and community collaboration and legislation.
Through outreach events such as Fred Korematsu Day of Civil Liberties and the Constitution, the Color of Justice presentations, the Young Women's Power Lunch, Educators Day, Constitution Day, and Read Across America, our judges already collaborate with government officials, schools, and community groups.
We will be expanding our outreach to the schools and communities within our county to listen as we ask ourselves and each other how we may work together to eliminate racism.
We are committed to achieving justice and equality for all.
We are committed to achieving justice and equality for all.
We are committed to achieving justice and equality for all.
We are committed to achieving justice and equality for all.
We are committed to achieving justice and equality for all.